Hi, Sheetal.
Hi, sir. Good evening. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you, Amma?
Fine, sir.
Yeah. First of all, congratulations for your selection
Thank you, sir.
at a good MNC company. So, with like, just I want to know, Sheetal, your genuine feedback. అసలు మీకు ఎస్వి ఎలా అనిపించింది, అసలు ఎందుకోసం సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నారు, మీ కాలేజ్ ఎక్కడ?
నా కాలేజ్ వెస్లీ సార్, సికింద్రాబాద్లో.
వెస్లీనా? వెస్లీ నుంచి మెనీ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. దే ఆర్ వర్కింగ్ విత్ వెల్స్ ఫార్గో, కాగ్నిజెంట్ అండ్ కంప్యూటర్ షేర్ అండ్ ఇన్ఫర్, చాలా కంపెనీస్లో మీరు ఒకసారి బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళి చూడండి. వెస్లీ నుంచి ఈవెన్ హెచ్ఎండ్ఆర్ బ్లాక్ అబ్బాయి, ముస్లిం అబ్బాయి, ఒక అబ్బాయి ఉండే, సో వసీం, సో చాలా మంది చేస్తున్నారు. సో యు ఆర్ ఆల్సో ఫ్రమ్ బ్రాండ్ వెస్లీ. ఓకే.
I came here through my brother, sir. He also took here course and he went to placed into Wells Fargo.
Okay, who is that person name?
Santosh.
Santosh. So full name?
Santosh Kumar.
Oh, okay. Because many Santosh were working with Wells Fargo. Fine, that's fine. So my student only, right? Santosh.
Yes.
Great.
So he told me about the institute. So that's why I came here. I took demo classes. I wanted to join after the demo classes. That's why I went.
Okay. You feel positive?
Yes, sir.
You went other institutes? Any other institutes? No, only direct
I just
SV.
completed my degree and directly I came to institute.
Very great. So you trusted us.
Yes.
Nice. So what was the things, most of the things do you like in SV?
The way of teaching.
Hmm?
I can easily understand when they teach and how they speak. I improved a lot, sir. I got a lot of knowledge on core accounting and accounting, and I improved my communications also.
Great. So communication wise also you are improved, as well as conference wise also you improved.
Yes, sir.
Subject point of view also you improved. Technical point of view also you improved. Then you'll get a job. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that is what the success mantra of SV. So where you are lacked, you need to update.
Yes.
That's the thing. Good, Amma. So how do you feel, you feel comfortable in interview that? So first you given a mock interview here, right?
Yes.
Then you shortlisted, then you went for that.
Yes.
Nice. How do you feel? Mock interview is standard, tough, or their
I felt the mock interview was tough than that, sir. But mock interview helped me a lot, sir.
exactly what mistakes you did and how you need to improve, and these
I
all.
rectified my mistakes and I gave the interview. That's why I tried.
Nice. I saw that maturity level, Sama, when you initially came over here, and now really, Sheetal, you change it. That is important. When you change, the surroundings also change. So good, and do your best. Okay, so grow well, do well.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck.